If you shop on Flipkart, Blinkit, AJIO, Tanishq, Kalyan Jewelers, or many other brands, there is a strategy that can save you up to almost 10% on your purchases. And the interesting part is that this is not a coupon code or cashback offer. It is a stacking strategy that the credit card community calls a multi-dip loophole. Now, I don't know how long this will continue because platforms usually close these loopholes without any warning. So if you want to use it, it is better to do it sooner rather than later. Let me show you exactly how it works. The first step is simple. Instead of buying a Blinkit, AJIO or Tanishq gift voucher directly, you first purchase a Flipkart gift card worth 10,000 rupees. Now here's where the first layer of savings comes in. If you pay using an eligible Bob card or HSBC credit card, you get an instant discount of 500 rupees. So instead of paying 10,000 rupees, you only pay 9,500 rupees. If you also have unused Flipkart Super Coins, you can redeem them at a 1-to-1 value while buying the gift card, reducing your out-of-pocket cost even further. And yes, you still earn your regular credit card reward points or cashback on the amount charged to your card. Now comes the interesting part. Once the Flipkart gift card is added to your account, go to Flipkart's gift card section again. This time, choose a voucher for brands like Blinkit, Tanishq, Kalyan Jewelers, AJIO, and many others. At checkout, instead of paying with your credit card, simply use your Flipkart gift card balance. Right now, Flipkart is allowing this conversion. Normally, e-commerce platforms do not allow you to use one gift card to purchase another brand's gift card because they want to keep the money inside their own ecosystem. But currently this payment option is working, and that's exactly why this has become so popular in the credit card community. The result? You now own a 10,000 rupee voucher for your preferred brand, even though your actual cost was only 9,500 rupees or even less if you used Super Coins. That is an instant 5% saving before counting any reward points or cashback from your credit card. Now let's make this even better. If you use the right credit card, your total savings become significantly higher. Let's start with the best option, the Bob Card Cashback Credit Card. You get the same 500 rupee instant discount. On the remaining 9,500 rupees charged to your card, you also receive 5% cashback, which is another 475 rupees. That brings your total value back to almost 975 rupees on a 10,000 rupee purchase. That's close to a 10% effective return. The second option is the Bob Card Eterna Credit Card. Here, you still receive the 500 rupee instant discount. But instead of cashback, the card earns reward points worth approximately 3.75% on online spends. On a 9,500 rupee transaction, you earn around 1,425 reward points worth roughly 356 rupees. So your total value becomes approximately 856 rupees, giving you an effective return of around 8.5%. And here's another piece of good news. The Bob Card Eterna is currently available as a lifetime free credit card through the ongoing offer for eligible applicants, making this strategy even more attractive if you qualify. HSBC cardholders can also take advantage of the instant discount offer, although the reward rate is comparatively lower, making the total return around 6 to 6.5% depending on your card. Now suppose these instant bank offers disappear. Can you still use this strategy? Yes. If you have the HDFC Infinia or Diners Club Black credit card, you can buy Flipkart gift cards through Smart Buy and earn accelerated reward points. Just remember that HDFC now has monthly caps on accelerated rewards for gift voucher purchases, so plan your purchases accordingly. Another excellent fallback is the SBI Cashback Credit Card. Buying Flipkart gift cards directly from Flipkart generally earns 5% cashback, making it one of the best long-term options even without any instant discount. So why are people so excited about this loophole? If you're planning to buy jewelry from brands like Tanishq or Kalyan Jewelers, flat discounts are usually very rare.